This looks like a big...
It's one of, it's a table, and Chris is here. He's one of our leading experts.
That is...
How can you tell?
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Did I hit it? Yeah, I hit it.
Now, if the MP5 is the little brother that everyone loves to have around, the HK-21 is the older brother who just came of age and is ready to fucking party. HK-21. Now, if this looks familiar to you, you're my kind of people. This is, for all intents and purposes, a one-to-one clone to the HK-21 from the first Black Ops. The HK-21 was HK's take on a light, portable, belt-fed machine gun. You had quick change barrels, carry handles, 1200 meter rear sights, and overall an aesthetic that just fucks. The entire feed mechanism is removable from the gun as one complete unit. Overall, it is nice. I think the audio cut out there, but you know, just completing the Black Ops 1 lark, plus Ghost.
Hi, so the video you were seeing on the HK-21 got spread apart 3 hard drives somehow, and it wasn't perfect to assemble it, but you've seen what you've seen, and I was going to do a tabletop anyway because this gun is really attractive and it deserves a spotlight. So this is my HK-21 Black Ops 1 out, have the carry handle, etc. I'll show you a few of the details later. So this was developed by Heckler & Koch in 1961, and to put that into a time frame perspective, the M14E2 was developed, I think, 2 or 3 years after this. Mind you, we did have the M60, but that this was conceived somehow is a monstrosity. A beautiful monstrosity, but a monstrosity. Shoulder thingy that goes up and all. Mind you, the M60 weighed 23 pounds, and this is 17. So this is a much lighter belt-fed 308 machine gun, and the M14E2 I think is 14. So whatever that matters, but it's a really nice gun. I'm happy I have it. I can shoot it, play with it, modify it, spray paint it, and overall spend too much money on parts. So here it is. Clubfoot stock, Rust-Oleum finest, 1200 meter rear sight, aperture, so you can get your lobbed fire in there. Let's see, I have the metal grip frame with a Franklin Armory binary trigger in it, so I can get that third position. When you lock the bolt to the rear of the rifle, you can pull out this feed mechanism. So there's a lever right here on the front of it that you depress to pull the feed mech out. And if you don't have a starter tab on the end of your belt, you can load it like this and slam it back in. And this is your feed sprocket, so under recoil that rotates and feeds your belt. On this side of the rifle, we have our carry handle that I need to put a spring in, and our quick change barrel right here. So this is a handle with a button we can depress to rotate the barrel. Press forward, needs a little jiggle, and you can just press the barrel forward and slide it right on out. There we go. Doing this through the camera. Overall, it's a very nice rifle, and thank you for checking this thing out with me. Deuces. One more thing.